thank you that he has made me to unlearn many things. So that is more important in my life. Second thing, I came to see practically that intelligence is more powerful than intellect. That is the second thing which I learned. And it has limitless possibilities. I imagine this in a very vast way, and till now I am flabbergasted. I have not seen like this before. I have gone through many alternative therapies, but what really fascinates me is that quick. Everything is quick. Okay, because time for us is a healer also, and time is an enemy also. Because when I hear in different alternative therapies that इतना time लगेगा आपको, ये लोगे तो 6 महीना इसको लेना पड़ेगा, 1 साल लेना पड़ेगा, तो आधा तो patient वहीं पे वो down हो जाता है. And when this gives a very quick results, I don't want to learn how the things happen. I'm least interested in that. When I see the results, I'm just okay with it. So I will say this is the timeless therapy in the time zone. And fantastic. I'm looking forward for a very strong association for this things in